Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can cancel a subscription on your Dropbox. This is just quick and easy process. All you have to do is follow the simple steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, you do have to log in into your account on where you need to cancel the subscription. Right now you can see that I'm already logged in into my account. Now, to cancel the subscription, all you have to do is go onto this click to upgrade option, or if not, go onto account section. After that, go on to settings, and if you go into settings in the general, you can see that the plan that is on your account. Now, right now I'm only running Dropbox Basic. That is the basic that everyone gets. So if you have a Dropbox Plus, it will show up here, and beside it, the current plan, you can also see a cancel subscription on your screen. If you have it, simply click on cancel subscription and follow some simple steps that I will say on why you are trying to cancel the subscription. Do those all steps and you'll be able to cancel the subscription on your Dropbox. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.